this might just be the coolest accessory I've done to modify my Jeep. Hey guys, it's Carmo Dimaraju, and our friend sent over this tailgating table for us to test out. And I'm gonna be real honest with you, this is a game changer, okay? So no matter what you're doing, if you're out on the trail and you wanna have lunch, or you're just out having a good time in the parking lot, tailgating before your favorite sporting event, this table is a game changer. So let me take a look and show you here. So we're gonna throw our cooler on here. This is designed to hold 75 pounds. So a full cooler weighs less than that, but it's heavy. And I can throw it up here. I don't have to bend over and dig around for it. I have access to it right here. I can grab whatever I need out of it. All right, so let's move this out of the way. And you can see that this tailgate we have cables on either side to secure it. So therefore it's nice, flat, sturdy, and stable. Installation process, you're probably thinking is real difficult. How did you attach it? Is there holes I have to drill into the tailgate? Oh my gosh, guess what? All of that is provided for you. The directions are very straightforward. All the hardware is included. Even the drill bit that you need is included to drill the plastic holes. Yeah, I mean, they literally provide everything for you. You just have to follow the directions step by step to get it done. What you're gonna do is you're gonna drill a hole into the plastic, and you can see right here, it says trail rail ready. What that means is that there is a threaded grommet already established in the tailgate of the Jeep. So when you drill this, it goes directly through the plastic, and then it's gonna go into that metal sleeve. So therefore, you're securely fastening this directly on. Installation takes about 20 minutes from start to finish. Take your time, follow the directions. This is gonna provide you a strong, sturdy, stable base. And the best part is, it folds up out of the way. It's nice and powder coated black, so that way it blends in with your tailgate. It is solid and secure. You're probably thinking this is gonna rattle around, but as you can see, pulling on this thing, it is not going anywhere. It is securely fastened. When you're driving down the road, this does not make any noise. It folds up, it's convenient, it's out of the way. So no matter where you go, anytime you need yourself a tailgate table, you are ready to go. Check it out.